Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. Today, and really this entire quarter, has been marked by these stretches where stocks get hit very hard, sometimes due to some like high-profile company missing or getting hit hard, or getting hit very aggressively on earnings. And today's another one of those days, and I just wanted to like talk quickly through like the idea of like how it really impacts like the option environment. Um, so UPST and like I'm gonna talk about Coinbase after this, and it doesn't really have any direct impact on it, but UPST is just a high profile blow up. This is a name that a lot of people were trading last year. It was kind of a momentum player. It's down 60 some odd or 50 mid 50s to 60% on the earnings release, which is really unusual. You do not tend to see moves like that. And what's happened is it's just sent traders scrambling to buy puts on other momentum names that are acting poorly, that have like deteriorating like numbers, because people are just concerned that they don't want to be involved in like the next stock that gaps down 40, 50, 60% after they report, right? So that's why today you're seeing like put very aggressive put buying on companies that are reporting, like Trade Desk, which is already down significantly the last few days, Unity, which is down significantly over the last few days, right? Roblox, which is down significantly just the last couple of months, and even more over the last few days. Like, these are companies that are reporting after the close. You're seeing huge option activity on them, and like a lot of like out of the money downside put buying. Another name is Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase, when I put together that earnings video last Friday, or this past Friday, excuse me, the options were pricing in a little bit less than 19. Okay, so since that video when I recorded that, the stock has dropped um, almost 30 points, right? Basically straight down, and the option pricing at one point today was actually up. So I mean, not only has the option pricing not come down as the stock has gotten hit, but the option pricing at one point had actually gone up. It was actually pricing in a little bit over 20. So you're seeing the moves straight down. I mean, the moves are accelerating to the downside, and in some cases, the option pricing is going up at the same time too. So you're looking at Coinbase going into earnings tonight, right? And you say the stock has lost 40% in a matter of days, right? What's priced in, right? What type of numbers are expected at this point? If the company misses, is there more downside? It's hard to say, right? Because the stock has dropped so aggressively, so quickly into earnings that you really can't make informed decision, because you just don't know, right? I mean, if it was flat, and you say if it was flat over the last few days, you say it missed, and it's like, yeah, okay, maybe it has some downside, but the stock has dropped straight down like a rock going into earnings, so you have to question like what's priced in, what's expected, right? Um, and then when you combine that with the fact that the option pricing, not only does it not come down, but it actually might be creeping up a little bit, then you have the struggle where you're trying to understand like what's expected, what's priced in, and then the option pricing is going up. So like the options are getting increasingly more expensive as it happens. So it's just like this really cloudy, confusing setup on a lot of these companies reporting. And it just, to me, it makes for like a really challenging option strategy, because you just don't know. I mean, if it's like a great quarter, will it snap back? There's a possibility, but a lot of these names are broken, and people really might not want to chase them higher, right? So the question marks are many around these names, and it makes for the kind of like tough trades. So I feel like in the aftermath of UPST, everybody's scrambling to buy puts, looking for the next blow up. But the problem is the further these things drop, the faster they drop, and the more expensive the options become. It just really changes the setup, and it makes to me it makes for like a much more challenging few day stretch on some of these companies reported. So I might be backing off some of the earnings plays a bit, watching, waiting, see how the next few days go, or really just picking my spots very selectively, because the setups definitely have changed. Okay, so tomorrow will be busy. I mean, today after the hours, you got more earnings. Tomorrow before the open, you got the CPI. So there's gonna be a lot going on. Expecting a busy day tomorrow. So hopefully some really good trading opportunity. Okay, so if you liked this video and you're looking for more information about trading events with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a great night. Stay well, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow.